In the previous video, we understood the H command in AutoCAD 2027. We learned how to fill closed areas with pattern or solid colors, and how H is useful for showing materials, section, wall, flooring, and different areas of the drawing. Now, from this video, we are moving from drawing commands to editing commands. And the first editing command we'll understand is going to be the move command. The move command is used to move objects from one place to another place in AutoCAD. For example, if you draw a rectangle, circle, table, chair, wall, door, or any object in the wrong place, you don't need to delete it and draw it again. You can simply move it. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand the move command in a simple way. The move command is used to change the position of the object. It does not change the size of the object. It does not rotate the object. It does not copy the object. It moves the selected object from one place to another. So the simple way to remember this is move means changing the location of an object. If object is correct but the place in the wrong position, use move. There are two common ways to start a move command. First way is from the ribbon. Go to the Home tab, then look at the Modify panel. Then you will find the Move tool. Click the Move tool. Now look at the command line. AutoCAD will ask you to select an object. This means AutoCAD wants you to know which object you want to move. So first, select an object. After selecting an object, press Enter. Now, AutoCAD asks you for the base point. We'll understand the base point in a moment. The second way to start move command is by typing. Go to the command line, type M and press Enter. This will start the move command. So remember, M is the shortcut for the move. Just like L is for line, C is for circle, H is for hatch, and M is for move. Typing the shortcut is faster, and you will use it a lot when you become comfortable with AutoCAD. Before moving anything, we need to select an object. For example, let's move the rectangle in the drawing area. Start the move command. AutoCAD asks you to select an object. Click on the rectangle. Now, rectangle is selected. If you want to move more than one object, you can select multiple objects at once. After selecting the object or objects, press Enter. This tells AutoCAD that you are done with the selecting. This is very important. Many beginners select object and then forgot to press Enter. If you don't press Enter, AutoCAD will still think you are selecting more objects. So remember, select object, then press Enter. After selecting the object, AutoCAD asks you for the base point. The base point is the point you use to hold an object while moving it. Think of it like picking an object with your hands. Where you grab the object from is like a base point. For example, if you are moving a rectangle, you can choose one corner as the base point. Then move your cursor to the new location and click again. AutoCAD moves the triangle from base to that point. So the base point is very important because it controls how object moves from old location to the new location. Now let's move an object freely. First, draw a rectangle or a circle in a drawing area. Type M and press Enter. AutoCAD asks you to select an object. Click the object and press Enter. Now AutoCAD asks for the base point. Click any point near the object. Now move your cursor. You will see the object will moving with your cursor. Click somewhere else in the drawing area. The object moves to the new location. This is the basic move workflow. Start move, select object, press Enter, pick base point, pick destination point. Now let's move object with the exact distance. This is more important in real AutoCAD work. Start the move command by typing M and press Enter. Select the object, press Enter, click the base point. Now move your cursor in the direction you want to move the object. For example, move the object to the right. Now type distance like 10 and press Enter. AutoCAD moves your object exactly 10 units from the old location. This is much better than moving by guessing. So, if you know how far the object should move, type the distance. That is how we keep drawing accurate. The move command works very well into the Ortho mode. If you want to move an object perfectly horizontally or vertically, turn on Ortho. You can turn Ortho on from status bar or simply press F8. Now, start the move command. Select an object, press Enter, pick a base point. Move your cursor to the left, right, up, or down. With Ortho turned on, AutoCAD keeps moving straight. Now type the distance and press enter. This is very helpful when you want to move walls, doors, furniture, symbols, object in a straight direction. So remember, use ortho when you want a straight movement. In real drawings, we often move objects from one exact point to another exact point. For that, we use ortho snap, also called O snap. For example, you want to move your circle so its center line ups with the endpoint of the line. Or you may want to move your door symbol exactly to the corner of the wall. In these cases, you should not move by guessing. You should use object snap to pick an exact point. We'll learn object snap in detail later, but for now, just understand that object snap help us to make move command more accurate. One important thing to understand is that move does not create a copy. It is change the position of the original object. So after moving an object, it will no longer remain at the old place. If you want to keep the original object and create another one somewhere else, then you should use the copy command, not move. We'll learn copy command in the next video. For now, remember, move change the location, copy creates another object. So let's quickly summarize the move command. The move command is used to move objects from one place to another. You can start it from the Home tab inside the Modify panel. You can also type M and press enter. First, select the object, then press enter. Choose a base point, then choose a new location. You can move freely by clicking, or you can move accurately by typing a distance. Use Ortho Mode if you want to go straight, horizontal, or vertical movement. And remember, move does not create a copy. It only changes the object's location. Before we move to the next video, do the small practice. Open a new drawing in AutoCAD. Create a rectangle using the rectangle command. Type REC and press enter. Create any simple rectangle. Now, type M and press enter. Select the rectangle. Press enter. Click one corner of the rectangle as a base point. Move your cursor to the right. Type 10 and press enter. Now the rectangle has moved 10 units from the right. Try the same thing again. This time, turn Ortho Mode by pressing F8. Move the rectangle upward by typing 5. Practice this a few times so you become comfortable with selecting objects, choosing a base point, and moving accurately. So this was the move command in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that move is used when an object is correct, but the location is wrong. You don't need to delete or redraw it. Just move it to the correct place. This command is used all the time in the real AutoCAD work, so practice it properly. In the next video, we'll understand the copy command. The copy command is very similar to the move, but instead of moving the original object, it will create a duplicate object in another location. So in the next lesson, we'll understand copy command accurately in AutoCAD. I'll see you in the next lesson.